Fay Wray and Sally Rand, and many, many others performed here over the years at the Pantheon.
That's wonderful. To me, it's a heaven.
It is. It's an absolute gorgeous building.
Wow.
There's 11 dressing rooms down in the basement.
Wow.
Where the sergeants change clothes. And originally, again, we held 1,200 people. This was actually the first building in Vincennes to be air conditioned as well. So a lot of people would pay to get in just to sit in the air conditioning.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for a wonderful story. I'm so happy to know you.
Thank you.
A pleasure. Thank you.
I think that I don't. Yeah. Or those be same people or what? Or be same
Ladies and gentlemen, the famous Benny Chaplin walkathon finally at the right place in town. Hold on, here we go. Rolling out.
Hello, my name is Mike Ashcraft, and I'm from Vincennes, Indiana.